Are your plants starting to droop or overhang other things in your garden? If so, then you need a set of tomato cages. I'm Gina with WTI, and I've been using these ones that I got from KYRGEU. I got the 2-pack, and these go together very easily. I would recommend after joining in the joints that you just give them a good shove and make sure that they go into place securely. I use these 2 different ways. I already had some established sweet peas that were overgrowing the rest of my garden. So I put this together and then worked the vines up through it in order to give stability to my plants. I also have some cucumbers started. They're still little, but I want to have a good base in place for them as they start to grow. So I just put this right inside my raised garden bed. So as they get bigger, I can train them to grow up it. These are made out of steel, they're sturdy, and I like that it has the coating on the outside of them, which means that they'll last longer out in the elements. Don't wait for your plants to get overgrown like mine did. Get these now so that you can have a beautiful garden. And that's my point of view.